What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith. Today we're going to look at this hot tub, which is a Lazy Spa Hawaii. I'm going to show you how to connect this hot tub to the egg. Now there's three main connectors on the hot tub itself. We have these three here. These are connected up to this one, and this one is connected up to this. This one is for the bubbles, and then this one is for your filter and for the chlorine tablets, so it's sort of the airflow that comes in and out. So what we're going to do is pull the hot tub near the egg. Sometimes you need to raise your egg so the threads are in line with it. That's why we've got this little plate underneath. So all you do is get next to it, and the first one that I normally do is the one for the bubbles. So you just connect them up, you turn it and do it so it's hand tightened, so it's not too tight but tight enough. That should be it there. Then after that we go on to these ones, and then I normally start from the one at the bottom. So again, just tighten them up like that. And there we go. And then last but not least, the top one. So again, just tighten them up. And there we go. And just hand tighten them. And that's it sorted, and that's how you connect up your hot tub. Then your hot tub's ready to go, and that's it. If you have any other questions or queries, let me know in the comments below. But until next time, see ya.